Let's try this again. Okay, it should be good now. Should be good now. Perfect. Perfect. Are you interested in keeping any event in Munich, Germany? I'm living here. I can help you organize and other stuff. No thanks. I do my own organization. Yeah, I think it's going to be better to see how this candle is going to close. The 4-hour candle is trying to move up. Let's remove all these zones over here. The 1-hour candle is trying to move up to fill the wick. The only problem with the 1-hour candle here is that we've already moved about 140 pips, you know? We've already moved about 140 pips. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's the probability that the 4th candle will continue to move up? So I need some sort of a confirmation. And that confirmation may come with, you know, with the 15-minute candle closing. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see how well that plays out. Okay, let's see. Back to business. Free London, green. Oh, look at the tools I have over here. This is the first book I got 9 years ago. Got my MagicKeys, the other phone, coffee. Looking for gold buys over here. Let's see. Nice volume in gold right now. Yes, the candle is about to close in about 6 minutes. So let's just wait and see how we close. All right. Will NY time change as well next week? Secure 10 pips on a trade earlier. Awesome. Beautiful. Executed buys. Beautiful. So yeah, I'm gonna wait for the 15-minute candle to close, and then yeah, it's like a 26 pip stop. I took one trade today. It was a sell. I took one sell today for about 10 pips. Right here. One sell, and then price went all the way up. I was expecting it to continue to push down, but it didn't. So I got what I could. What can we expect in your course? You can expect a way to learn clean price action from Market Fluidity University. I can't believe I'm writing this, but after going through MFU, applying, I've been able to afford my mother's eye surgery, which is due on Wednesday. Oh, wow. Very well done, brother. A lot of clapping for Zen. MashaAllah, bro. That is absolutely amazing. Affording your mother's eye surgery from Market Fluidity, from the profits you made from the markets. This is absolutely crazy. Absolutely crazy. You know, this proves that if you just put simplicity when it comes to trading, man, sooner or later it's going to work out. What pair is this? This is gold. So we got 4 minutes left for the candle to close, and then let's see. You know, trading is not all about Lamborghinis. Yeah, you're right. It's not about Lamborghinis and all this partying, cash. It's not all about that. Trading is about creating an income stream that can literally help you pay your bills. That's it. That's all what trading is. How can I buy your course? The link is literally right there. All right, let's see over here. We're waiting for the 15-minute candle. The 30-minute candle is open. The 15-minute candle is right over here. What's the plan for now? I don't know. Temis, what's your plan for now? What is your plan? I want to know your plan. Screw my plan. I want to know your plan. Imagine I stop doing the live streams. Then who's going to make your plan for you? Okay, my plan is on the next 15-minute candle, I want to take a buy because we're trending up. Candles are closing in our direction. but this range is like 25 pips. The stop is going to be 19, 20 pips. So I don't know. I don't know, because the only problem is that maybe price may come down, you know? That's the whole thing. Because the 30-minute candle will still be open. 15-minute candle is open. We're about to close soon. So I don't know whether it's going to be a good idea or not. Can we anticipate London open volume of breakthrough? Yeah. We can anticipate London volume to break through above 2744. We can anticipate that. And that's what I'm trying to basically formulate over here. Raja Scams, welcome to the live stream, buddy. Dancer Devil, welcome to the live stream. Whether I'm a scam or I'm not a scam, I'm still making really good money. I want to just warn everyone that some idiot hacked Raja's Facebook account. He's trying to scam. Oh, yeah, no one hacked it. Someone just created a new one. Buys above 2746 for me. Yeah. Man, should have just executed right here as the candle came down. What should I do? Do I want to do impulse dynamic risk? Do I want to do dynamic risk? I can do dynamic risk. 5 lots. Total I'm going to do 35. No, let's do 10 lots over here. 10 lots dynamic risk. What's this? 3200. Wait for the 15-minute candle to close. I'm not going to get in buys even if I miss it. Yeah, I think that's going to be a good idea. We got like a minute left. Okay. I got like a minute left. So I'm going to execute right over here. Dynamic risk. And as price comes down, I'm going to add more positions. As price comes down, I'll add more positions for price to continue to push up. Looking at pound yen on the 15-minute. Let's look on the 30-minute time frame. See this over here. We're coming up towards a resistance area. And down over here. Can you review my trading plan? Delvin, upload your trading plan in the database where it says trading plan. Upload it there. All right, perfect. So we're retracing. That's good. And add another one right here. Bring it right down over here. Awesome. I see you securing 10 pips. I'm very happy you secured 10 pips too. I don't feel I've missed something. With the bigger account, like you said, it's like somebody's monthly salary. Yes, that's correct. So now the new 15-minute candle has started. I'm taking a little bit extra risk here today. The idea is that the 4-hour candle is very bullish. The daily candle is very bullish. I believe that this daily candle can take out the high of Friday with what's happening, like macroeconomic level this time. I think it can take out the high of the previous daily candle around 2747. Looking at the 4-hour, bullish, no problem. Looking at the 1-hour, kind of whatever. 30-minute candle is open, which is good. 30-minute candle is the only candle that's on our side. As long as it closes a healthy body, this is going to be a healthy body right over here. 15-minute. Now, the whole idea is that the buys will be valid, in my opinion, as long as we respect 2740. Okay, let me write this down over it. As long as price respects 2740, buys are valid. Yeah, there we go. 2740 buys are valid. And I'm going to add one last position once we start to retrace. And this will be 18 pip stop. Okay. 18 pip stop is going to be good. Adding one last position, probably right over here. Dynamic risk, all good now. Now we're risking 1%. Now we're risking a total of 1% here now. Good. Very good. Can anyone hear him? Yeah, I think a lot of people can hear me. The daylight saving time affects today's London session. Yes, London Open is going to be in about 40 minutes. London Open will be in about 40 minutes. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. If we do take out the high, I think 2746 would be a good target right here. I think that will be a very, very good target if we do take out the high. I wonder what this blue line is over here. What is this blue line? I'm confused. All right, let's take a look at this. Trading plan. All right, what's this? Pound yen, 30 minute. Yeah, you made a rookie mistake. You made a rookie mistake over here. Average price of all entries. Oh, okay. I'm using C Trader ECN. Rookie mistake is the 30-minute candles already moved this much. So should have waited for some sort of a resistance to form. We already moved a lot, you know? So breaking the low, like, no. How are you going to manage risk? I am going to manage risk. If this 15-minute candle closes bearish, I'm going to close 50% of my positions. That's how I'm going to manage risk. But sometimes you are unable to manage risk, right? Sometimes you're unable to manage risk. And that inability to manage risk happens sometimes. You know, that's how it is most times. So I'm going to change my risk management plan here for a little bit. I want to see this 15-minute candle to make a lower wick first and to move up here a little bit. And once it breaks its own low right over here, then I'm going to be closing, you know, one position because this is dynamic risk I'm using. So I'm going to be closing one position just to make sure that I lose less than 1%. So far, I'm up 0.5%, which is good. Wow, look at this. 21 pip over here. We just want this to go. Want a leopard to come in and say, go up, boom. Right. So now this low has been made. Once this low starts to get taken out, I'll close this one position, manage risk, and let the rest run. With dynamic risk entries, you're already managing risk. Yeah, that's true. But it makes it a lot more easier, you know? So right over there. Closed one, letting the rest run. Don't like this trade. Oh, that's fine. That is fine. Everything is in control. Everything is under control. There's nothing that's out of control. Everything is in control. You have to stay calm. How are you doing your wild row from Dominion Markets? Is it crypto? Yeah, withdrawals we can do with crypto. Wow, look at this. Look at this. Not good. We've retraced more than 50% of this candle. No good. No good. Someone is saying, let's go gold sell. Yeah, I don't know about that, buddy. We have to break below 2740 for gold sells. Can we sell current 30-minute break? Yeah. Yeah, you can. You can. Once we break below 2740, your sells will be perfect. Yeah, your sells are going to be perfect. Should we take an entry with no lower wick or wait for the price to break the previous high when the support, when the price formed a strong support? Should we take an entry with no lower wick or wait for price to break the previous high? I would say in the beginning, take an entry with no lower, I don't know. Send a chart. Send a chart so I can take a look at that. Flip of an hour is on the way, I guess. Yeah, probably. Probably. The candle is about to close, so yeah, we'll see. We shall see. The open of the 4-hour candle was at the same time like pre-London, but now because of the time change, it's 1 hour before pre-London. So if somebody traded pre-London, should take 1 hour trade sooner. Yeah, I think you should just trade based on your time. Because I'm gonna keep trading based on my time. You know, this is the time when I trade normally. Oh wow, look at that. Yeah, close everything now. Makes no sense. Some down 1400 today, no problem. Wow. That was wild. And the way it moved like that. Yeah. Crypto think, yeah, yes you can. Deep, yes you can, but I think it's going to be important that you withdraw with the same method you do deposit. Yeah, gave my gains all the way now. What about the market gap? It's gonna get filled? No. For that to get filled, we have to break above this area. So now the zones have changed here a little bit. So I gave my buys one chance. I'm gonna give my buys another chance later on if it comes around. And I think that chance is gonna be if we create some sort of a support for price to continue to move up. You break your own rules? No, I didn't break any rule. I'm 2 trades in, two trade ideas. So this was 1 trade. This was the second trade. Look at the lot size: 10, 20, 30 lots. Yeah. So I'm going to give it another chance once it comes down to create support, you know, because I have to do my buys. It's not about that. Let's say you take a buy and price doesn't go bullish and now you change your buys to take a sell. No, it doesn't work like that. You have to keep the same bias, you know. So I'm going to keep the same bias and I'm going to wait for another opportunity. This is a trade valid, even there was 4-hour continuous bullish candles printed. Let's see over here. An important interruption. Looks like you need to clarify whether you may not qualify professional. What? Yeah, I can't open this shit now. What is this? Non-professional. Holy shit, what's this? Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Oh, congratulations, Mr. Karamveer. 15 pips booked. Nice. So I became your liquidity. Nice, look at that. Yeah, if Mindika is saying that price is going to continue to push down, then yeah, so be it. Nice. Yeah, looked like I became your liquidity today. That pop-up window at left-hand side, what is that? Can you explain what pop-up window? This one? This is basically the trades I took today. So total, I have to risk about 2%, and I've only risked about 0.84% of 2%. I'm down like 0.2% today. So yeah, that's what's happening today. The impulse buy was missed earlier in the session. So like you said, price already moved up. Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm looking at now. You know, I think this was a very good indication of buys of impulse entry in a trend for price to move up. It was indeed missed. You are correct. And I was wrong. Let's see over here. What's this? OneDrive. Haven't seen OneDrive. What's this? Why is this? What am I looking at? Let's look at pound yen. Pound yen is still consolidating. Nice. Yeah, well done with the sales, guys. Well done. Look at that. We broke the low and then continued to push down. Well, it's a good thing I closed early. Like my stop loss was around 27.39. I closed pretty early. So that's good. I saw Kervin and Raja's main edge in trading is risk management. Is that true? Yes. The main edge is always risk management. Let's take a look at this chart. Nice one. Cells. Very nice. Keep roasting me with your cells now. Please help me. मैंने MT5 सिमुलेटर बाय किया है बट जब मैं लाइसेंस एक्टिवेट करके कोशिश करता हूँ ब्लैंक पेज शो होता है. I don't know, man. I think you need to email the support team and wait. Give me a job. Douglas Trading saying, give me a job. I have no jobs. What can you do? What can you do? How do you get the stats pop up on CTrader? What stats? From here? The analysis? Look at this. October is wild, man. 45% winning rate in October. Incredible. October is not my month. This is pretty good. 52%, 73%, 45%. 54% losing rate in October. Crazy. October is not my month. If price break resistance, then price go up. And how much pip running straight so we can assume running too much? Should I wait some sort of support? I don't know. I have no idea. Yeah. You know, I think in the rest of October, whatever trade I take, just take the opposite trade of me. This opposite trade. Whatever trade I take in October, you're going to be profitable. Yeah. What's your average win rate on regular months? I don't know, like maybe 60%, 55%. Yeah, 60%. Your view on compounding account? No. I think if you're trying to compound, you should also try to withdraw money as well. I think withdrawing money is much more important than compounding money. All right, let's see over here. Yeah, wow, look at that. This 30-minute candle is about to close, very, very bearish. I'm just going to wait for support to form. I'm going to stick with my bias, wait for support, and then let's see what happens. Okay. Payout, deposit. Do you know you give a lot of good advice very casually? Yes, thank you. Was this valid? We had 3 to 4 bullish candles printed previously. Let's take a look over here. What am I looking at? Guys, when you send a chart, I'm going to explain this just once. Click this shit over here, which says take a snapshot, copy the link copied, and then send it. What you guys send this shit over here, and that's what you send. Like, come on. Unless you want to give me access to your account, then I can open that. But other than that, I can't open it. All right, let's see here. We're doing new withdrawal methods today. Hmm. 87.51. What you think about ICT? Nothing. I don't think anything about ICT. Anything. Can you explain London session, daylight saving time? No, doesn't affect you. The time just goes up 1 hour. Many years I don't use the database often as I'm already profitable, but I think it's very deep. And what you do to the family, bro, all people who bought lifetime. Yeah, there's no such thing as lifetime. You know what happened? My biggest mistake I did in the education space, my biggest mistake I did in the education space was offer lifetime. I think from the beginning, it should have been subscription. Because when I did lifetime, let's say someone came in with $800 lifetime, $600 lifetime, like 4 years ago or even 5 years ago, they still think I owe them something, like they own me for $600 like lifetime. That was the biggest mistake I made, because I didn't understand there are a lot of retards out there who will think that for $600 you can have someone's time for life. So that was the big mistake I made. So, I apologize for all the retards who think like that. But other than that, I think subscription model is the best. It's 138 a month. Some people come in for like about, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, and then they leave. They come in, they leave, whatever. I think that's the best thing. $138 a month for Market Fluidity University. I think that's amazing. But this whole lifetime shit, man, I think that was a huge mistake. Huge. You've made 1 million per year. Yeah, like a little more than that. Should I use indicators or confluences? I think you should use confluences with indicators and price action. How do you get that trade limits on the side? What trade limits on the side? How do you guys see the things I don't see? Where do you see trade limits? I don't see no trade limits. Oh, this one right over here? Oh, trading limits. Yeah, that's with MagicKeys. That's with this MagicKeys. The link is in the description. MagicKeys. Don Wu didn't scam. He actually went full tit. No. Don Wu did scam all of you guys, and you guys are so stupid that you guys are believing him. See, here's the thing. From trading, I've learned one thing about life, okay? I've learned one thing about life, and I'm going to explain this to you. In life, it's always black or white. There's no in between. There's no maybe. There's no what if. There's no, oh, maybe, no. There's no such thing like that. There's only it either happened or it didn't happen. That's it. Me, I believe it happened. I believe he did scam everyone. I believe he did have some sort of an arrangement with Blueberry Markets, and in 3 hours he took 300 trades and blew everything. That's what I believe. I firmly believe that. 100% I believe that. There's no such thing as I 90% believe it, I 70% believe it. I 100% believe that. Because trading the markets, what I've learned is that price will either go in your favor or it's not going to go in your favor. And it's up to you to decide whether you're going to be on the right side or on the wrong side. That's all up to you. So that's what I believe. I believe that he had some deal with them. Whatever he did, I've read the website. I've read the website. You think if I make up a PAM, blow everyone, and then pocket all that cash, and I send out a letter with blah 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 blah, this, you think that's going to make me a saint? No. How do you know he's honest? How do you know that? How do you know he's honest, man? You don't know he's honest. If he was an honest person, he would have that same day would have apologized. Man, people lost their livelihoods. They literally lost their livelihoods. You guys are so stupid to believe what someone posted on their website. People lost their livelihoods, and this guy was absent for a month. He was absent for a month. And then he comes back and makes a website, blah, blah. And now you guys are saying, oh, no, he's right. Fuck out of here, man. You didn't lose a single penny, which is why you're saying, oh, no, I trust him. If you would have lost $50,000, if you would have lost $100,000, if you had balls to put $100,000 over there, you would have been speaking from where I'm speaking from. I understand. I understand people who lost money. You know, I understand the pain. I've lost money. I've lost millions, man. So I understand what it feels like to lose money. If you had $100 in it or $1,000 in it, you lost $1,000. Ah, wow, amazing, great. You know, but I understand. I understand how it feels when people lose money. Can you say the same thing about that? Yeah, same thing. Like people lost money over there. It's super bad, super bad. But then there are also a lot of people who made money from that, Pam. Whatever happened on the trader's domain, Pam, people made money. They withdrew money. People withdrew more money than they invested in it. But then, like, you know, thing went down. Like, you know, it's too bad. All good things come to an end. That was a good thing. That thing ran for about 2.5 years. All good things come to an end. This Don Wu shit, there was nothing good about it. It was just all straight losses. Fucking thing crashed in a month. All right, so we got the 15-minute candle open. The 30-minute candle is also open. You know, like, I mean, waiting over here. My course is not in Urdu. No, you'll have to learn English. Don't move, Mayada. You guys are hilarious. So much for always keeping it real and transparent, no bullshit. Yeah, I keep it as real as it is, you know, like, because people have kept it real with me, so I keep it real with everyone else. I have a lot of respect, but since day one, you was upset to Don Wu because he don't want to promote your broker. Sorry, you have to grow up, my friend. No, no, I told him once to promote Dominion Markets, and then I didn't. And then I had him on the phone. And he told me, I'm getting tired of doing live streams. What should I do? Should I start a PAM? What should I do? I gave him advice. I'm like, bro, listen, if you're getting tired of live streams, open up a company, open up a prop firm. You have the following, open up a brokerage, run it cleanly, and you're going to be good. You know what this motherfucker did? He opened up a PAM, and that's how he made the money. You know, so I'm not salty. You know, like, Dominion Markets does really well. We did $12 million last year. We do really well. We don't need any influence. We don't need any influencers. We don't need none of that. You know, we process withdrawals the same day. We process deposits the same day. It's a smooth operation. People want quick money. Yeah, that's it. And they deserve what they get, you know, like like, here's the thing. As long as greed is alive in the world, all these scams are going to continue to run. You know, there are millions of people who lost money to money schemes before we were born. There are millions of people losing millions to money schemes right now, and there will be millions of people who will continue to lose millions after you're gone. It's going to continue to happen because the greed will never end in the world. And as long as there's greed in the world, man, like, it's like, you know, it is what it is at the point. You know, no one's going to learn. No one will learn. Who the hell shows loss? Yeah, you know. Daniel Savage prop firm. Yeah, he's doing good with his prop shit. All right, let's take a look at this over here. This situation where our entry should be right here or the break of the high. I think right over here, because we created a candle that had a great liquidity grab, closed bullish, bigger than the previous one. So here should have been the entry, and I think the stop, you could do it on the 15-minute time frame. Let's take a look at this chart over here. Oh wow, buy is nice. What's this? Gold now? Oh, right now over here? Yeah, just needed for it to close. You know, just needed for it to close. Joined MFU after the Dubai conference, came with my wife, and after going through the topics and understanding them, we both are consistently making profits. Oh, nice. Congratulations, man. Appreciate it. That is a very good review right there. All right, Deepak got buys over here. Very nice, very nice. Yeah, just gonna waiting. Got 20 minutes left. The 30-minute candle's closing. This is like a 34, 32 pip range. 15-minute candles. It's if this candle closes bullish, then we are just starting to range in this thing. By the way, up until the elections, this is the range we are in. Let me point this range, make this range a little bit thicker so people can read it. This is the red range we have. This is the elections range. This is the elections range right here. Look at this. Look at the daily, right? This is the elections range right over here. Look at the daily candles printing side by side, next to each other, side by side. 4-hour time frame, 1-hour time frame. Look at this. This is the elections range, 400 pip range. 440 pip range. Elections range. Wherever there's going to be the elections come out, price is going to go one way. Just wanted to ask, was that bias valid? Because I tried to give it a shot, but they didn't play out. I managed risk, and that's it. Next I'm just gonna try to see if I can give my bias a second chance. What about $100 to 1 million? See, listen, he's an awesome guy, but I think it was like, we've been discussing it. It was a very good marketing campaign. That was a very good marketing campaign for the boot camp. It was actually very good. Have you tried Silajit of Shahid? No. No, I haven't. What's your plan with your $78,000 withdrawal? Well, number one, it's none of your business. Number two, planning to buy property here in Dubai. We're gonna buy like a small apartment or whatever. Studio apartment somewhere. Do you know Jim Simmons? No. Why is the lot size so difficult for gold and other currency pairs? Is there some what? No, the lot size are the same. I think what you're talking about is volume. Yeah, I think you're talking about in volume. How do you find this technical? Do you learn from mental or just research? What technical? Or day-to-day spending? No day-to-day. Like our monthly spending is like maybe 10 to 15,000. But yeah, that withdrawal is to basically just buy some property. So I had 170,000 withdrawal in September and now in October. It's pretty good. 70K a month. Kind of like feels like a Wolf of Wall Street type shit. All right, let's see this over here. Counter trend trade setup. You made the same. Yeah, no. 30 minutes. Nah, this is just after way too long. After way too long. Way. The 30-minute candle already moved like 40, 50 pips. Way too long. You rushed it. You rushed it like how I rushed it, like how I rushed the buys. That's how you rushed the sells. Yeah, here we go. You know what? If someone can flip $100 to $1 million on Dominion markets, we'll give them the best trading conditions. All this thing about blah, blah, like brokerages doing this and that, nah, doesn't work. If someone flip 100 to 1 million on Dominion markets, then that's going to be wild, crazy. Sean Lee did it once. Yeah, my cam died. All my batteries are dead. Sean Lee did it once. Sean Lee deposited $5,000. Sean Lee deposited $5,000 in Traders Domain, and he flipped that $5,000 to $600,000. All live, real. That motherfucker actually flipped it. $5,000 to $600,000, $640,000. He withdrew $250,000, and then he blew the rest of the account. Yeah, he was actually too sick. He actually did that. No. There wasn't any transparency. Even if it was on another brokerage, like I'm from the industry. I'm from the brokerage industry, liquidity industry. I'm from the industry. There wasn't There wasn't much transparency in that. You know, the thing is this: no LP will give you 1 to 500 leverage once your account goes over 500,000. No LP will be taking those orders at 1 to 500 leverage. Ah, all my batteries are dead. Good. Well, it's good the batteries are dead. Now I don't have to worry about trying to look good on camera, right? Do you think we are looking solid for buys in 15 minutes? I don't know, to be honest. Like, it's not enough range. Just like, 20, 25 pip range. I don't know. I'm not into this. I think I may be into for buys above 27.44, 27.43.50, but other than that, no. What were you struggling with the most when you initially started? Overtrading. I was struggling with overtrading, and that got resolved by focusing on 1 or 2 trades a day. The M30 support is the same trade you executed on 15 minutes ago. Yeah. Ready for buy? No. Already talked about that. If we learn from YouTube, can we be profitable and something we can learn from market? What do you think? No. I think only a handful of people are going to be profitable just by watching YouTube. But I think if you really want to be profitable, you have to get some sort of education. What will someone get if they done it on Dominion markets? Nothing. You'll get like a real withdrawal. Exness has 1 to unlimited leverage. Yep. Awesome. Good. How many people in the BKK event? I think this is a 50 people event. What is the highest deposit done in Dominion market? The highest deposit done in Dominion markets was about $550,000. That was about 6 months ago. And that account is sitting at about 2 point something right now. I have $200,000 account. What's the healthy lot size I can trade aggressively in prop space? Wow. Looks like you've never seen $200,000 in real life that you're asking what the lot size I can trade aggressively. Do you know Sartaj Rahman? No. How do you manage to trade and work at the same time in Canada? I was waking up early in the morning to trade. He's a very smart businessman. He hired a very good team. He had a very good team to script stories for YouTube, Instagram, because the whole thing is you have to maintain engagement. If you can maintain engagement, that's what makes you grow. You have to maintain engagement. Can someone still be in a loss after following 1 to 2 trades a day? Yep. But you have to manage risk at the same time as well. Next live is going to be tomorrow. Wow, look at this 1 hour candle. Wow. Look at this 1 hour candle. What's this 1 hour candle doing over here? 1 hour candle is wild. Just going nowhere. Let's take a look at pound yen. Pound yen is trying to push down here now. Okay. Interesting maneuver by pound yen. Okay, let's see here. Do you go to Cape Breton? No. I went to University of Prince Edward Island. details. What's this? Okay, Gigi's always looks so good, but it takes my money. Yeah, pound yen. I've stopped trading pound yen, to be honest. All right, the Monday workflow has started on my end over here. Gold looks good to break the high. Yeah, I'd want to see a candle to basically break and close above 27.44 to get into buys. I would want to see that happen. That's going to be something very important to see so that a decision can be made. Gold looks like it's going to break the high. Yeah, just waiting over here now. I think with London Open, we can break the high. I really think with London Open, there's a very big possibility we can break the high. Traders connect to brokers, brokers connect to LP, LP connects to prime LP or banks, you know, and banks connect to banks basically, I mean, well, it's relevant what banks do because we are too low on the hierarchy, you know, so it's relevant. So it's basically irrelevant what banks do. When to put stop loss below 30-minute all the time. I thought you said something. If someone flip 102 mil, they will receive something. Nothing. They can just withdraw the money. When to put stop loss? What do you think about the book called The Intelligent Investor? Is it for us traders or long-term investors? I don't know. Just read the book. You guys keep thinking about things, you know. If you were to come to Australia, where would you go, Sydney? Can we go with impulse entry in gold? I don't know. Have to wait for the candle to close. As a broker, can you manipulate the candles? No. No, man. Like, no, we can't. We can't manipulate the candles. It's impossible. You will have to move the market to be able to manipulate the candle. Do you find any difficulty trading in October? Yes, I'm finding it very difficult to trade in October. We can't withdraw different than deposit. By why don't you make us profit withdrawal any other method customer decides? No, because it goes against the anti-money laundering policy. You know, because we can have someone deposit via Visa card, you know, maybe a stolen Visa card, and then they can withdraw via crypto. So that's money laundering, right? Which protein do you use? I don't use a protein shake. I haven't used a protein shake in about a full year now. No protein shake. I just use creatine and that's it. I was on TRT from February, March, April, May. Till May, 4 months. And that's it. I just use creatine, eat a lot of chicken, eat a lot of eggs, eat very clean. Who's going to win the US elections? Very easy. Very easy. Who will win the US elections? Let's Google this over here. Look at this. 9 days left. What polls say? Well, I think Trump's going to win by a landslide. Look at that. Oh, wow. Kamala has 40. This is fake news. Kamala Harris probably owns BBC over. This is fake news. Nah, I don't believe that shit. I honestly think Trump's gonna take this one. Yeah, I honestly think Trump's gonna take this one. Yeah, October is just hard. I don't know why. It's just how it is. You are in Pakistan right now? No. Can you compound 100 to 1 million? No. I have questioned my losing trade is 15 pips, but when I win, it was also same. I stuck at break even, managed risk. Some brokers' spreads are huge as they are floating. They take out stops. Yep. I had a call from a brokerage on Friday, and they told me that they have the best conditions. I'm like, okay, what's your spread? If I open up a one lot, where will my... And they said their spread is 0.4. I'm like, okay, what's going to happen if I open a one lot? He's like, your one lot will be open in negative $40. I'm like, okay. So it's a 4 pip spread. He's like, yep, it's the best you will get. I'm like, brother. So I made him open Dominion Markets, and he saw my spread 1.5. He's like, how can you get 1.5? I'm like, bro, like, you don't have the best conditions. Only retards are going to come and open your account over there and thinking they're the best conditions. You know, stop lying to yourself. And now that person wants to work for us. But it's wild, man. The amount of people that are there to deceive you. Wow, it's crazy. Ooh, pound yen has reversed. Deposit from UNFCU account? I don't know. I don't know what UNFCU is. I don't know. Wow, you got a 36 pip range here now. I withdraw by crypto. What do you think when gold make new time high? I don't know. We'll see. We shall see. We can meet with you in Pakistan? No. Why did you stop trading GJ? I got hooked on to gold. Look at this 15-minute now. See, the 30-minute candle is closing bullish. Can you take a buy over here? No, because the 15-minute candle is closing bearish. So you can't take a buy. Now we are consolidating, basically. We are in this, 58 pip range. Price is in the middle of a range, and it can either go up or it can either go down. In the middle of a range, we don't trade. If we do break below 27.36, which is this price over here, we got this nicer range, 66 pips. But right now, it's just... Tawheed, I saw you in a U Park last week. Yes. You're not showing your face anymore. My battery died. How to get this trading idea and limit EA looks very useful to control my... Brother, this is MagicKeys. The link is in description. My camera's dead. I can't show you MagicKeys. But the link is in description. It's called MagicKeys. LP is given 1 to 100 leverage, but how broker is adding 400 to provide 1 to 500 traders with own broker funds? That's how they do it. We just offer 1 to 100 every time. Yeah. But anyway, guys, I'm going to head off. I got some work to do here on Monday. It's not easy trying to run this shit. But yeah, I'm going to be looking for buys again. To see if my bias works out above 27.43.50, 27.44. Up until then, take care, guys. We'll see you tomorrow for London session. My first trade. Oh, nice. 10 pips. Beautiful. Beautiful. I got negative today. I'm running negative $1,400. All right. Take care. All right, YouTube. Take care.